We're approaching the yard limit. Proceed slow it is. We'll pick up a couple of cars here and head out. Here comes someone with the flimsies now.
Hello, gentlemen.
Hi there.
I guess you want these orders.
You could say that. We're in a bit of a hurry to get this train to San Francisco.
Understandable. Well, you'll be on your way soon. They're adding your cars on now.
That's good news. Thanks to the bills and have a good day. You know, it's odd for an express train to make a stop like this. True, but you'll have to admit this yard took care of us quickly. You're right about that. Well, we got the cars coupled on. We're just waiting for clearance. How's the air? We've got a full head of steam ready and waiting. They just cleared us and we got a high ball from the conductor. All right, here we go.